Hi everybody, look over the hot mess. I've been cleaning around the house today, but I wanted to show you how I clean around the ring of my Instapot. So I'm just going to point the camera down and let you see real quick what I'm talking about. Now, I'm not sure how well you can see, but up under this little inner pot, it has these little flanges that hang out over top of the plastic piece here. And a lot of times food and just different things will get down in this little crack around this inner pot, and they're a little bit hard to clean. So how I clean mine is very simple. I get a toothbrush, and this toothbrush is used solely for cleaning my Instapot. This hasn't been in anybody's mouth or anything like that, so it's all good and clean. So it works just like a little scrub brush, so it's really not a big deal. But I get it a little bit wet, and I'll just put like a little drop, just a small little smidgen of dish detergent, and I'll use this to scrub around that ring. And if you see, that works right real perfect for getting in underneath those little flanges there and getting to that crud that needs to be cleaned out. And if my brush gets a little dry, then I just dampen it with a little water and a little bit more dish detergent again. And I just keep going around until I get this whole thing clean. Now after I get that done, I just take me a little paper towel and I just kindly fold and slip that up under that flange of the inner pot, and I just start wiping out the wetness left behind and the debris. And I'll take it out, turn my paper towel around a little bit, fold it, and start over again until I make my complete circle. And there we go. That's all there is to it. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick little tip. Please give me a thumbs up, and remember to share my videos if you'd like to. And I appreciate you all watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.